is we have a problem. Okay. And with this problem, we have a case where we have a substance. We know it's an alkaloid, and it gives us percentages. Okay. And these percentages are the things that we're really going to care about. Okay. We see that we have a total of 74.02% C. We have 8.710% H. And then we have 17.27% N. Okay. Therefore, we're going to go ahead and say, okay, that means that we have 74.02 grams C, 8.710 grams H, and 17.27 grams nitrogen. Okay? We will go ahead and divide these by the molar mass to figure out how many moles of carbon that we have. In this case, carbon is going to end up being 12.01. Hydrogen is going to be 1.007. And nitrogen is going to be 14.00. Okay? When we divide these, we end up getting 6.163. Two. 8.6495. And 1.233. 6. Okay? So, we have all of these different amounts. What we're going to do is now we're going to divide each one by the lowest amount, which in this case ends up being 1.233. So we'll take 1.233 first, divide by 1.233, and that's going to give us 1. Nice, easy number. Next, we're going to take 8.6495 divided by 1.2336. And that's going to go ahead and give us 7.0116. Then we're going to go ahead and take 6.1632 divided by 1.2336. And that's going to give us 4.9961. These numbers, they're all coming from a machine, which means that we can go ahead and make an assumption here that they're all approximate. Okay? So that means that our formula is going to end up being C5H7N1. This is the empirical formula. Okay? So, this is the empirical formula. All right? Now, this isn't asking for the empirical formula. It's asking for the molecular formula. Okay? And we know that if we have 40.75 grams, that's going to equal 0.25 moles of nicotine. Okay? Are we interested in finding out the mass of 0.25 moles of nicotine? No, we want to find the actual amount of nicotine, the actual weight of nicotine. Okay? So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and say, okay, well, this is a quarter of the weight, right? And we'll times this one by 4 to find the mass of nicotine. Okay? So 40.57 times 4. And the mass of nicotine is 162.28 grams per mole. We'll then see how much this one weighs. Okay? So C5, 12.01 times 5. That's going to equal 60. 7 times 1.007 plus 60.05 is 67.099. Add to that 14 from the hydrogen, we have 81.099. Okay, so this weighs 81.099. This one weighs 162.28. Therefore, this has to be doubled, right? This is about half. Okay, so that means that our overall formula, our molecular formula, should be C10, H14, N2. Okay.
Because I got the 162.28 right away. That was my first step. And then I took 162.28, multiplied it for carbon by 74%, and then divided that by 12. And that just gave me how much carbon there was. And I did 162 times 8.7%.
Oh, okay. I see what you did. Yes, that's also another acceptable way.